a bit stressed, so I want Bali, to stay under a palm tree. I will feel grounded and I will reconnect with myself and with my higher self.
That's good idea.
Let me tell you a secret.
What
My
happened?
secret fantasy is to have some naked pictures under a Bali waterfall.
What is your main intention?
Many ladies on the social media platform, they do this kind of pictures in a very tiny, bitsy mini bikini, XXS size, too, I would say too small for their actual size. Do you think that is a good idea to use this kind of picture as a promotion for your webinars?
We valuable internally, not externally.
Thank you, Imran, for this advice.
This is Imran, a tech wizard. I'm going to showcase the journey of a relationship coach, how she is taking her business online and what are the struggles she is having and how she is overcoming those. Hope you guys will enjoy the process and have some fun. Also, in the meantime, you'll learn some great techniques how to take your coaching business online. So stay tuned and keep watching.
Hello, Imran. How are you today?
I'm good. It's a challenging time here in my home with some Wi-Fi and the mobile data. But it's all good. Now we are here. How is everything? How is your birthday week going?
Well, I was thinking of you. Maybe that's why you had some interruption. Maybe I have some telepathic powers. Who knows?
Ah, okay.
Yes.
You have some power, I believe.
Oh, can be. Some people said to me, but my birthday gift were very nice, so my birthday was okay. But I didn't like the weather. It was snowing for my birthday in April. Can you imagine this? The weather is completely crazy, and I don't like it. Last year there was spring and flower were blooming and all this, and now it was just snowing like full winter. And today we had 15 degrees, so it's like a big temperature shift. And
Ah,
from 0 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius, you can imagine the body immunity is not very well. The body is
yeah.
struggling, and I feel tired, and I feel exhausted. And people around me, they are sneezing, they catch cold. And even my dog catch a cold, and I had to give him antibiotics. So I'm a bit stressed. So I want Bali. I wanted to go to Bali to relax, to stay under a palm tree and just I don't know, to make a mandala on the ground and just drink a coconut juice from a coconut tree. I don't know, all these things I want that maybe I will feel grounded and I will reconnect with myself and with my higher self and all this.
Ah, okay. That's good idea to visit Bali, especially. Yeah. So when you are planning to visit there, and what is your main intention? I'm a bit curious.
I think after Easter, maybe it's a good time. And my main intention is to relax, to feel grounded, to be my authentic self, and just to reconnect with myself because I strongly believe that if the environment is very nice, looking like paradise, this will reflect to my inner reality, to my inner self. And I will just feel good and I will just have a good mood and I will forget about everything, all this stress and all these strugglings. And yeah, I will just have some energy. I will ground with the nature and all this.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, Bali is a really lovely place to have those things that you are looking for. But with my experience, I would say it's not really like that. Many people had this belief like, okay, if you came to a really nice place, of course, it has some value. You'll add it enhance something that you already within you.
Let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you a secret.
What
My
happened?
secret fantasy is to have some naked pictures under a Bali waterfall.
Okay, yeah, you can have that. Bali has plenty of waterfall and you can have that thing and plenty of photographer will be there to take a photo of you. That's not a
Of course, I'm very
impossible.
photogenic. I think they will just fight for me.
Yeah, you can go and try. That's not a very big deal, especially in Bali. Yeah, there are many really good photographer. If you need one, I can refer you some. That's
Thanks.
welcome. So now the thing I was saying, yes, it's good, new place, new energy, and of course Bali has some lots of good energy that. But don't forget, Bali also have something dark. Let's not go with the dark thing, but Let's go with that thing that you're telling, like you want to feel more grounded, be present, find yourself, find your higher self. With my experience, 5 years back, I used to feel the same as you were thinking, oh, Malaysia is too hot. I need to go to some other places. So I've been through some places, some parts of East Europe, some parts of Africa, Middle East, and some parts of Asia. But what happened? I found we don't need any specific place. It will only create attachment. But we can find our true self, our self, whenever we want, if we really feel it. And it's all within us. But as your intention is to go Bali, you can always go to Bali. You can take some lots of cool photo. You can have that naked photo under that beautiful waterfall. There are plenty of waterfall where you can go, and there is no issue. But what one thing you can take those photo, stack them. You can make some really nice video for your upcoming webinar promotion, of your upcoming course promotion, and even something just for regular posting. You can take a batch of dress within your luggage, and you can wear different dress, and I can have a really good photo shoot in different beach. Bali has plenty of sea beach, and that will really help you to increase your visibility. If you go live from your home and you go live from Bali, it has totally different thing. It has that Facebook algorithm will love you, and it will infuse Facebook with lots of cool photo, real fresh photo, and that's how you can grow your reach on social media. Yeah, but as I said, yeah, it's nothing special that you must have to be in Bali. You can just be in anywhere. But I don't
Yeah,
want to demotivate you. You can always visit Bali, and you can do all the things you want.
one question, Imran.
Yeah.
I saw many ladies on the social media platform. They do this kind of pictures in a very tiny, bitsy mini bikini, XXS size, too, I would say too small for their actual size. Do you think that is a good idea to use this kind of picture as a promotion for your webinars?
The people who will come through that, they'll not buy in your project or your course or your offer. So you need to be valuable internally, not externally. Now, when people find the value within you, they will buy into you. This is my thing. Yes, of course, some people are doing that. No judgment. If they want to do that, they love it, they can do. But use that to attract client, not a good idea. Yeah.
No, thank you for the advice because I saw many, many ladies on the social media doing this. They film themselves, they make picture in a tiny mini bikini, and it's like then they post about manifestation, about your higher self, about your inner self, and people are just look at their yeah, and they just
Yes,
like
as I
nod,
said,
yeah, guess what
as I
audience?
said, if
Free, yeah.
somebody wants to do that, they can do. But I'll say that's not a really good idea. If they want to have just to have that experience to wear that nice dress, I'll say nice dress on the beach, having coconut, do some photo shoot. That's like feeding their inner child. That's fine. And if they have that dream for a long time, they can do. But not to use that to attract that client, because they are not going to be there for a long time. They are going to be in their home after some point. So then what will do? They'll be in some place, in some office environment, and you can't serve a client from the beach. You need to be a very sacred space where you can have less noise, nice lighting, good Wi-Fi signal, and then you can go and serve them best. Another
I
thing,
agree. I
yeah,
agree. So I think the best practice also maybe for our ladies out there, ladies, do not post like that and then post your content with your tiny bikini and your boobs all over the place because people will not take you seriously. So listen to Imran advice. He knows he's an expert in marketing. Thank you, Imran, for this advice.
yeah, that's not my advice. That don't post photo. No, you need to understand. I already made it clear. They can do it
Yeah,
just
I
for
mean, photo
themselves.
in a dress, it's better.
Yeah,
I get your point. Yeah, you do for yourself the
yeah.
things, but then be decent on your platforms because this is how
Now
you
the
attract
decency have
business.
something. we can't be that define something decent or not decent. Decent can be someone for maybe the person who is doing that is decent for them. Who am I to judge that? It's decent for them. If they think, okay, this is good for their avatar, ideal client, then they can do it. Some people can have different things, so they can do. Some people are into dark, gothic thing, they can do that different photo and different photo shoot. It's completely okay. There is nothing right or wrong. So there, everything is okay to do that. But if you ask me directly, I'll say like, yeah, good, but not so good. That's my opinion. Yeah,
Okay, I got your point. So lady
yeah,
decency is the best, is selling the best.
yeah. Of course, it's a professional and know their worth. That's the thing. It's also come from. I know some people, some ladies, they're showing their 97% of body parts, just 23%, three pieces. They are trying to hide. I know them. They are a very good friend of mine. But what's there? They are struggling. They went to some Tony Robbins event, spent 1,000 quid, and they started, oh, I am become something, and mindset is done. And suddenly they started coming to Bali and wearing these tiny little dresses and start posing. What happened? Yes, getting lots of followers. But who? Guys, forward guys around the world. And they are following, commenting, oh, you're lovely, beautiful. And in the message box is full with, can I have your WhatsApp number? Do you want that? No. If you don't want that, you know what to
No.
do. Yeah.
Yes, you're right. You're right. Yes.
You know your words, right? So be that.
Of course, I'm teaching people that. Why are you asking me? That's very annoying. I'm teaching people that. Yes, of course. But sometimes lady can just get a bit desperate for attention, and this is not a good sign if you are a healer or a coach. You see, I'm very decent today. I have no cleavage, nothing. It's like I just had a couple of episodes with cleavage, and then I get 1,000, I don't know, Pakistan people following me. So it was not so nice. Yeah. Uh,
Yeah,
when I
so
so I'm modest. I think 3,000 at least. And on Instagram, I get a lot of, I don't know, can you make commercial for these earrings? Can you make commercial for that, for that? I don't know if they're scammers or serious people. I don't answer.
most of them are scam. So don't worry. Anyway, so thank you and hope that makes sense, audience. If you guys have any question, comment below and I'll come with another video. We don't want to trigger anyone, but you want to raise the awareness. Have an awesome day. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Imran. You're always a good marketing guy, a good friend, and a good advisor. Yes, I love your coaching sessions. Mwah.
Uh, Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And if you love to share your experience and share your opinion and how you feel it, please comment below. And if you feel like some of your friends may get benefit from this video, feel free to tag. And yeah, keep in touch and we'll bring so much good content like this. And have an awesome day. Bye.